This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, July 24th. I'm James Spann. Still a chance of showers and storms today, but we get into drier air beginning tomorrow. And next week, chance of another refreshing air mass. Now, let's go in there and check things out this morning. This is the water vapor satellite view. You can see we have troughing developing over the east, big heat bubble out west. At a surface front and approaching the Alabama-Tennessee border. That is inactive early this morning, but that could kick off a few showers and storms later today. There's a watch warning map. A dense fog advisory issued by the Weather Service in Huntsville early this morning for the counties up in the Tennessee Valley. Other than that, things pretty quiet. Heat advisories in effect for parts of Texas and Oklahoma. Severe weather possibilities today way up north, which is what you expect here in late July. And then on day 3, this is Friday, there is a risk of severe weather from the Great Plains over through parts of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. And that's in advance of another cold front coming down the pike. This is the rain for the next 5 days. This is through Tuesday morning of next week, suggesting rain amounts of about 1 inch over South Alabama, lighter amounts up this way. And again, the pattern is clearly looking drier really after today for a while. Tropical weather, quiet as a mouse. Very dry air covers the Atlantic basin, so no issues out there. Let's take a look at modeling. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock local time this afternoon at 500 millibars. You can see the troughing over the east. 594 heat bubble off to the west, and down below that a surface front will be slipping in here today. The models have really backed off on the coverage of the rain today, probably not as great as what we saw yesterday. This is the high-resolution HRRR at 2 o'clock today, and it's a measle-type look on the radar. Nothing especially widespread, but clearly some locations will see showers and storms around today, but they'll be scattered. And depending on the amount of sun, the high would probably be in the upper 80s in most locations today. Keep in mind, Birmingham has gone 9 days in a row with a high under 90 here in mid to late July. Then tomorrow we are in a drier air mass. The northern half of the state should be dry, partly to mostly sunny. Showers confined to the southern half of Alabama. The high should be around 90. And pretty much the same deal on Saturday. Pretty decent amount of sun. Low 90s are possible. Going to heat up a little bit. And again, there could be a few widely scattered showers down over South Alabama. And even Sunday looks pretty dry. The GFS has been pretty consistent in the last few runs, suggesting most of Sunday will be rain-free, with any showers being very isolated. And again, the high would be pretty close to 90, maybe low 90s in spots. Oh, but next week, here comes a change. This is Monday. A surface front coming down through the Tennessee Valley at midday. A good northerly flow behind that. And that might kick off some showers and storms, maybe Sunday night or Monday morning. The model not very aggressive in the amount of rain with that feature. And look at Tuesday, very deep trough over the east. The axis a little east of here, which means this air probably won't be as cool as the air we've seen a couple of times this month. But still, it's going to be very nice. Tuesday should be a day with bright sunshine, lower humidity, mid-80s. And here's Wednesday. Wednesday morning is going to be nice and cool. We're still in dry air. And Thursday, a week from today, moisture begins to creep back, but even then, it still looks relatively dry. Here's a look at the temperatures over the next 15 days. And boy, those numbers are looking good. This is off the ensemble, and it drops the highs into the low 80s. Tuesday and Wednesday of next week with lows down in the low 60s, as cool as 61 on Wednesday. If we hit that 61, that will tie the record for July 30th in Birmingham. But those numbers are just amazing considering the time of the year. This is when the summer heat is usually peaking. We'll check the end of the forecast, August 8th, and again, there's no upper high. In fact, there's evidence of an upper low just west of the state, and that looks pretty unsettled. If that's right, a lot of clouds with a chance of showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.